and welcome back to my channel for another cleaning motivational video. Today we're going to be cleaning and organizing Nicole's basement part 3. This is the finale of a mini-series. This is a recap of part 1 and part 2. If you have not seen part 1 and part 2, I have pasted the link below. It was nice to work with Nicole and organizing her basement. We laughed so hard while working, which made it fun, despite the fact that we were sore for days. Drop a comment below if you're new and where you're from, so I can welcome you to my channel. And if you've been here for a while, please also drop a comment. I always love talking to you guys in the comment section.
I recently lent out an air mattress, and when it was returned back to me, my first thought before putting it back was, it has a place to go.
Nicole and I have a system. Nicole goes through all the things, pass them to me, and then I place them into bins.
We have organized these bins into different categories: regifting, donations, family and friends, keeps, arts and crafts, knickknacks, because kids always have knickknacks, and garbage and recycling.
My channel is about cleaning and motivation. If you like these kinds of videos, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss any other videos that we have coming your way.
Once the basement has been organized, I plan to have a couch and TV down there, an arts and crafts station for my daughter, and a workout area. Of course, storage.
Nicole has lots of books. Like me, Nicole is a professional student, meaning we're going to be in school forever. We are currently taking an HR degree program. Nicole's basement is a fair size, so we had to do it in different sections. We have labeled the bins so it's easy to know what's in each bin.
In total, we have 16 bags of donations that we will be donating to the Diabetes Foundation. The moment we completed organizing my basement, it gave me such a sense of relief, like I could finally breathe. The peace of mind I obtained was indescribable.
Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please hit that like button and subscribe. Catch you later.